In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and zoom out in Google Docs, whether you're trying to get a closer look at tiny text or need a broader view to see the overall layout. Adjusting the zoom level in Google Docs can greatly enhance your experience. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide so you can master the zoom feature with ease. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser of your choice. Once your browser is up and running, navigate to the address bar and type in google.com. Hit enter and you'll be redirected to the Google homepage. The next step is to sign in to your Google account. Find the sign in button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your email address. Go ahead and type in your email, and when you're ready, click the next button to proceed. Now you'll be prompted to enter your password. Carefully type it in and again click next to complete the sign in process. Once signed in, you'll notice a small box or a grid icon located in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this brings up a list of Google apps. Here, select Google Docs to be directed to the Docs homepage. Now that you're on the Google Docs interface, either open an existing document or create a new one to begin. With your document open, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the page. Among the options, you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Zoom. This menu will be a key element in adjusting your view. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the zoom button. This will show you a list of zoom levels ranging from 50% to over 150%. To zoom out for a wider view, you might want to start by selecting 50%. Observe how this affects your document's appearance, making text and images smaller, but providing a broader view of the page layout. Alternatively, adjust it to 75% for a slightly larger view while still maintaining an overview. On the flip side, if you wish to zoom in for a detailed look, you can set the zoom level to 90%, which gives you a clear view of the text while maintaining a good sense of layout. For a standard reading and editing view, 100% is a comfortable zoom level for most users. If you prefer things a bit larger, going up to 125% or even 150% can make everything more readable and greatly facilitate the editing process. Feel free to switch between the available zoom options as needed, depending on your task at hand. Experiment with different levels to find the most comfortable and functional option for your workflow. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to zoom in and out in Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring to get the most out of your Google Docs experience.